Ever feel like stubborn stains and foul odors have taken over your home? You're not alone in this struggle. Well, today I've got some great news for you. We're diving into the power of two simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen: lemon and salt. So stick around as we explore some amazing tips and tricks to clean up and freshen up your space, naturally and affordably. Let's get started. The science behind lemon and salt. First, let's talk about why lemon and salt are such a dynamic duo. Lemon, rich in citric acid, is a natural bleaching agent that helps in breaking down stains, while its fresh scent acts as a deodorizer. Salt, on the other hand, is a mild abrasive and natural antibacterial substance that can absorb and remove odors. When combined, they create a powerful cleaning agent that's tough on stains but gentle on most surfaces. Kitchen wonders. Now, let's head to the kitchen. Got a cutting board that smells like garlic or onions? Sprinkle it with salt, then scrub with half lemon. Rinse with warm water and it'll be as fresh as new. And how about that coffee pot? Fill it with water, add a handful of salt and a few lemon slices, swirl it around and let it sit for an hour. Then just rinse it out for a crystal clear look. Bathroom busters. Moving on to the bathroom. Lemon and salt can work wonders here too. For hard water stains, apply a paste of lemon juice and salt directly on the taps or shower doors. Let it sit for a few minutes, then wipe and rinse. Voila! No more water spots. Laundry hacks. Lemon and salt are also fantastic for laundry. To brighten white, soak your clothes in hot water with lemon slices and a cup of salt overnight. Wash them as usual the next day and you'll notice the difference. And if you have rust stains on fabrics, apply a paste of lemon juice and salt. Let it sit in the sun for a few hours and then wash. It's incredibly effective. Pet area refresh. Don't forget about areas where your pets hang out. Sprinkle salt on dry carpets or pet beds, then rub a cut lemon over it. Let it sit for about an hour, then vacuum. Your pet areas will be smelling fresh in no time. There you have it. Lemon and salt aren't just great in recipes, they're your best friends for cleaning and deodorizing your home. Try these tips out and let us know how they work for you. If you found these insights helpful, don't hesitate to like, share, and spread the word. Your support fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind sustainable living and cost-effective tools and methods to save you time and money. Subscribe to discover empowering wisdom that keeps you one step ahead and the envy of your friends and neighbors. Turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. And as always, please be well, be wise, and take care.